Ramadan has arrived, so today we will make a Ramadan calendar. For this, first of all, we will need a strong cardboard. I have cut a strong piece of board from an old box. I will measure it with the help of a scale. And I will make a minaret on the top. We have to brush the minaret board well with fabrical glue. Now we have to put the paper and press it well so that the paper sticks to the board. We have to cut off the excess part of the paper and stick it perfectly to the board for a good finishing. Now we have to cut another piece of paper to the same size on the back of the board and stick it. Now I am writing the Ramadan calendar on top. The paper you can see has one side thick paper and the other side is shiny. I will cut a crescent moon from this paper. Now we will put the crescent moon on the minaret of the Ramadan calendar we have made. And I will cut a heart symbol and put a needle that will act as an indicator. And finally, the Ramadan calendar is ready.